Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. Today I'm talking about urban heat, mainly how we can use GeoAI for urban heat. My last video I have shown that how to use GeoAI for flood mapping, right? So this is how mapping heat hotspots using satellite data, and this is very general video and very useful, right? What you will learn from this is that what is land surface temperature we are talking about, and why cities are hotter than surroundings, how geo identifies heat hotspots automatically, right? So, land surface temperature is the temperature of Earth's surface as seen by satellite, right? Like road temperature of road surface. It's not the air temperature, right? So, what data we are using is one is satellite data Landsat 8 thermal band, platform is Google Earth Engine, and method is pixel based classification, hot or not hot. So there are these steps I have used. Before coding, load raw land surface map, basically the Landsat 8 image, and then identify urban areas and then urban heat extraction. This is the core GUI step, and how to step 4 is heat hotspot classification. There are a few things. Basically, what is input is satellite LST. First, we will load the Landsat 8 image, then we will convert temperature to Celsius, and then we will add uh, into the Google Earth Engine. And then logic is temperature threshold. We will mask the urban area, then we will create the urban LST, and then we will create a hotspot. Means you can say threshold means if temperature is 40, more than 40 degree, it means the area is means heat is basically automatically as a hotspot, right? You can put 45 also, 39 also. It all depends on your area. And then output is the heat hotspot map. So, this is what is the real world application of this heat wave preparedness, urban planning, and green spaces, public health, risk mapping. So, a lot of things are happening, and nowadays we are continuously listening, and a lot of debate is around the globe about urban heat, right? So let's start it. So it's a very simple thing. I start with a study area, similar to I have done this for many places. You can use your study area. I have just taken this one. So this is AOI, right? So how to do that, that. Just take this one and draw. Then it automatically come. Here it will come geometry. Then you can uh, replace with your name. So and then we will import the urban means Landsat image. So where this is variable LST. This is the image collection, so you can read it uh, here about this Landsat image. You can just this one type here, and you can go here Landsat, right? Landsat 8, right? So you can write, you can read about it, what it is and what are the bands. So we are using band 8. Band 8 is this one, right? No, what we are using the thermal bands, right? So you can see we have a lot of name, bands, description, and their resolution, wavelength, everything is there. So So how we can use this one, right? So the thermal band is B10 actually. So this we have selected, and we are taking a mean, and our study we are clipping with our study area. And this is for we have converted this to Celsius. So you can see that this is the formula. So you can just do that and then add the image, right? When you add, then you will get this kind of image. So this is our urban raw image basically. This LST, Landsat LST, right? So if you click somewhere here, then you will get the temperature here means 50 degree, right? Yeah. So please remember, this is the surface temperature. Like if it is there is road, then it is a temperature of surface of that road, right? So and then we will since we are talking about the urban area, so we will use this land cover map, and I have done this in my earlier video. I will share the link that how to use land cover maps. And for urban area we are just putting the value 50, right? Built up for built up classes is 50 SK. I will create another video about it, so we will just add it. So then what about urban LST? Basically, then we have LST for whole area. Then we have to create a variable for the urban area. So urban LST, then we will mask the urban area from this land cover map. I will create another video for that. For the timing, you can understand from here. So then we will create it hotspot of this urban thing. Then for L1 LST dot GT greater than 40. If temperature is greater than 40, then it means it is a hot spot. Then you can add the add into the map. So if you run this, I can show you. You can get this type of images. So what you are doing is, first we have done this land surface temperature. We have uploaded by this code, right? And then we have this one, urban areas. Now these are our urban areas, right? So you can see we have urban areas, or some built up is there. Basically you can say built up. I should not say urban area, but it's a built up because village also part of that. So then we have again the urban LST. So this is the temperature for urban LST. Then you can see the red are more, or if you see the red one, it means they have more temperature. If you see this area, so if you click here, then you will have 47-degree temperature. If you this one some kind of this one here, then it should have less 39. So you can use this data accordingly. And if you see here, urban heat score, heat hotspots. So these are the heat hotspots, mean where temperature is greater than 40. If you see the 43, so this is surface temperature, right? So now you can see how we can use this, right? Or you can use it for your further analysis. So you can download this image also in your Google Drive. Please refer my previous videos of Google Earth Engine, where I have done many times this input export of this image uh, in your Google Drive, so that you can use in your QGIS or others GIS software for further analysis. That is much easier and then handy than this Google Earth Engine, I hope. Right. So please share, please follow this page, this subscribe my channel, and like it and comment it also, and share with your other people, so that they can also learn and how to uh, how to use this kind of data for further applications. Thank you.